Why are you looking at me like that? Look at the dead guy. I can see why you approach it what you do. Whoa, she knew about it. She helped him get the costume. That's all he asked to help set it up. Yes, that's what I thought. And if he lost the Grand Prix, he was going to make sure Matt was going down with him. Okay. Oh, that's so dark. I'm curious. But he had it with him. I think. Motive. More motive. The moment I saw the crime scene, I had a feeling that Matt was a murderer. Matt had to kill Juan, no matter what. Sorry, I have my thinking cap on. Matt had to kill Juan, no matter what. So, what did you do? He's more nervous than a scared rabbit. You don't have to turn it upside down, and gravity will play with you. Okay, from the moment I saw the crime scene, I want to know. No. That's so. Indeed. Grasping at straws, that's what you learned from him. Don't have any way to prove him right. Taking a nap in his room. Ooh, that's whether he was sleeping the entire time. Me neither. The button and a knife. And the murderer fought. That's so? Sorry if I'm a little bit quiet now. For Mr. Wright's sake. Wat was turn off gewoon during a fight with Matt. I'm Matt's manager, so I felt I had to protect him. No, there's something wrong with this. He's torn off of gewoon during the fight with Matt. There's something wrong. Strangled with a scarf, then stabbed with a knife. Yeah. Strangulation by a scarf. You didn't mention that. Okay, that didn't was really clear enough. Button has evident blood on it to mean that it was ripped off the costume when after the knife was stabbed into the victim. Yeah, because there was no blood beforehand. Can your glasses be broken again? Oh boy. But did I only think of that right now? Why would he do that? Why would he do that? Yeah. Have something in mind. What was it? To pin... not a memento. Cause... the memento... yeah. Not to destroy evidence, because... come on, what's the button? What evidence does it take? The only option is to pin the crime on Mr. Angard. That's the only possibility. And that's what Phoenix is saying right now. Well, Mr. Wright, who in the world is the real killer then? We've come so far for me to not screw up. Also, longest recording session ever. How late is it? Oh, it's an hour later than that I asked it an hour ago. The real killer, the person who planned to frame Mr. Angard, is Franziska von Karma. Or actually, it's not her. It's Adrian Andrews. Come on! Thank you. It's Adrian Andrews. I choose you! Pikachu! Ah, the glasses! I have a whole slot of evidence. All the evidence points to Miss Andrews. And she has her glasses again. How many glasses does she have? Can I with the character test me? Used to throw suspicion onto Mr. Angard. Yep. Anyone who had dinner with him and knew which wife to take was you! What about the button? Yeah? You put it there? Many people could have done so, or the person who found his body, or the killer. Glass is number 4. The person who went to wake him from his nap. Which is you yet again! What about the empty guitar case? Oh, I like this picture. Then again, it doesn't really show anything. Costume was used to hide the real killer's identity as they fled the crime scene. Could only have been the person who prepared the costume for the victim, indeed. The person is you. Maybe. No. Indeed. It's a towel or something. The glass of 20 juice is a different story. The owner purposely left the fingerprints on the glass to show that yes, she was a classic dazed discoverer of a dead body. Glass is number 4 got broken. Photo of the killer as they exited the scene of the crime. No reasonable person on earth can believe this nickel summarized Mr. Angard. What is this stance? Speaking of how tall people are, Miss Andrews, you're also kind of short in stature, are you not? It's true, but poor Miss Andrews. Is she going to kill herself? Is there a law? That makes you kind of suspicious. Yep. You knew that. Is that what she said? Is that what they discussed? Still the cards. What haven't I done? Everything the good liar has proven up at this point is meaningless. Really? Meaningless? Oh, come here, Edgeworth. I can do that. abstain from answering. True. Is this the worst possible situation? Refuse to testify, and the defense's theory that she is the actual murderer has not been fully substantiated with solid, definite proof. I have some proof! I have some proof! No! No! Thanks, Edworth. That's true. Are we gonna talk about Celeste impacts? Yes. Oh, you're asking it only now and not an hour ago? Before you speak, I want to state that if you have a reason behind your actions, I'd like you to testify to that effect. Oh boy, oh boy. Is he a friend or foe? Is he a frenemy? Poor judge. When I found the body, part 2, sort of. The glass of juice, I didn't really pour it for myself. I was surprised when I walked into the room and saw it in that messy state. And Juan, he was sitting slumped over and tired looking in the corner. When I saw him sitting like that, the thought that he was dead didn't cross my mind. You saw the knife! To be honest, I thought he had just fainted or something. So I went to pour him some juice. When I realized that he was dead, that's when I knocked the flower face over. But I think I saw something.